Hello viewers, here is a Mainstays 20-inch high-vel SFC4-VN. This is model number, I don't know, doesn't seem to say it on the box. Let's see if we have a model number on the VN itself. The model number is MAU50-12060C. That's on the motor. On the inside of the motor, on the outside of the motor, we have model number SFC1-500B. Jaingmen Keye Electric Appliances Manufacturing Company Limited, 1902. Probably February of 2019. Made in the China. Ooh, China. Made in China. Made in China. I am no advocate of made in China. And I really do avoid made in China whenever possible. I did not buy this new, especially from the Walmart. I don't really like to support that store because they have some ethical issues, but got this at the Habitat. It was about half price. I believe these retail for around $45 to $50. And I got it because it just seemed surprisingly decent. Came with a hook to hang on the wall. All the screws, you need to screw it in. Tie wrap thing for the cord. And it seems decent. If you look at the blade, you can see that it's got a proper hub to it, blades riveted on. The pitch is not terrible. The motor's a decent size. Probably about, what is it, almost 4 inches across. And this just, I'll fix that later. Anyway, so, I don't know, seems promising. I did turn it on in the store and it seemed like it moved a decent amount of air and it wasn't shaking or anything. And the motor mount actually has kind of like an old patent kind of design. Of course, these are much flimsier. The metal is probably half the thickness of what it used to be. But, I don't know. It seems like it offers some promise. So let's go ahead and power this thing up and see what it does. The cord is not as long as I'd like it to be. It's probably no more than maybe 7 feet or so. 3-prong. It is fused, but at least the fuse is replaceable. It has to have this stinking thing on there. It goes from low to high on the speed control, which is nice. This power bar is not plugged in, so that's not worked too well. Okay, now it's plugged in. Okay, we'll start it up on low. That's surprising. It actually is moving a lot of air. Impressed. And there was a lot more than I thought it would. And while it's not quiet, I wouldn't say it's blaring loud either. got a very nice sound to it. Okay, let's go to medium. And high. Not a big difference in the speeds. Blowing pretty hard. I'm very surprised it's moving as much air as it is. It claims on the box that it moves. This is 5,000 CFM. And of course those ratings are to be taken with a grain of salt. I don't think those are very reliable. As always, I wish the low speed was quieter, slower, but I am quite impressed by the performance in that. And it's relatively well balanced too. It's not shaking. That's quite well balanced actually. The bearings seem like they're kind of dry. They have a kind of a grinding sound to them as well. I think I will open this up and put some oil on there. But that's surprising. Pleasantly surprising. Of course it could quit in 2 weeks from now. Who knows how long it'll last, but as far as the performance goes, not bad. Not bad at all.